Hi everyone, my name is Akansh Tripathi and today me and my team NoteHeads have tried to present NoteSwap for this year's Viksit Bharat Buildathon. Now, this time we've actually tried to challenge a very unique problem that we have personally felt. So here's the problem we kept running into. During orchestra practice as a guitarist in our school, it honestly felt like we were speaking two different languages when I was talking to my friends on the Hindustani side. The Western side of the group would talk in C, D, and E, while the Hindustani replied with sargam, so sa, re, and ga. And before we even started playing, we'd already spent half an hour with music theory lessons figuring out who meant what. We tried finding apps or converters online, but nothing really worked for both systems. Everything was either too technical or only supported one notation. That's when I thought, what if we built something ourselves, something simple, made for this exact confusion we face every day? And that is how NoteSwap was born. Now, NoteSwap for me is the all-in-one solution. It's helping tomorrow's musician today. Now here's where NoteSwap really steps in. It's a simple tool that converts notes instantly between Western and Hindustani and vice versa. No theory headache required. It doesn't just translate though, it actually detects the rag or scale you're using even if the notes are jumbled or incomplete. You can upload files, even scan sheet music, and it'll recognize the notes using OpenCV, which is a kind of computer vision. And the best part, it's all built in Flask, operates on the web without a server, so it's plug and play. It can be used by anyone, anytime, anywhere. It simplifies everything, enabling instant cross notation conversion. Now, the innovative design, I would say, occurs due to the user approved design and user interface. All the musicians in our school and school orchestra have been consulted with before each and every feature and have been heavily beta tested. Now, what makes this innovative is that it doesn't just stop with conversion. It's connected to our NoteHeads educational ecosystem, a space that offers theory lessons, resources, and even handwritten feedback from other musicians. It's built by students for students, blending music, tech, and teamwork into something that actually solves a problem we deal with every day of the week. Now, the core features of NoteSwap is the first to market multimodal input, bidirectional music translation. It also uses fuzzy logic, scale, and rag recognition, and lastly, heavily beta tested by real and talented musicians. All users also receive complimentary access to educational courses for beginners at noteheads.in. Now, understanding our users. When we talk about our users, we're talking about fellow school musicians who juggle Western and Hindustani notation. We're talking about music students just trying to learn theory through our NoteHeads platform using NoteSwap to visualize both systems side by side. And we're talking about researchers, enthusiasts, and even teachers who are trying to explain music theory to their students in an easier way, trying to bridge the gap between both the system. In short, anyone who believes music shouldn't be limited by notation. I believe we have the ability to explore both these systems. Now, for future commercialization, we're having a tiered approach where the free tier has manual input and lower priority during high traffic. Amateur has multimodal input and unlimited translations, and the pro or institutional packages will have multimodal input, unlimited translations, as well as a neural network based scale and rag recognition ability, as well as the ability to export note. Now lastly, to get in touch with us, you can contact hungrydodo@gmail.com or check out the web tool at this URL given here. Now to show a demo of the app, NoteSwap in this case, you can see a text is uploaded. Yes, an image is uploaded and it reads the image. When we convert the notes, we see that the conversion has already taken place and the ability to copy the notes along with the detected Western and scale and rag has already seen. Yeah, thank you.